Yes!
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Nelson County in central Kentucky, southwestern Anderson County in central Kentucky, northern Washington County in central Kentucky.
First alert! First warning on this thing, baby! First alert on this!
At 3:10 p.m.
Let's go!
A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Bardstown, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to
There it is.
siding and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomfield, Willisburg, East Bardstown, Booker, Maud, Bartlett, Mooresville, Olin, Johnsonville, and Crokes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Ah, there we go.
Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm
First alert
warning
on this,
for
baby.
northeastern Nelson County in central